back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day, and right now we are driving in my Acura. One day after getting the coilovers installed onto this car, I'm not gonna lie, this is the funnest car out there to drive. And I know I said that before with the 350Z. Let me take these out of my ear. I know I said that before with the 350Z, but I kid you not, driving this car is so fun. Now, this car is not modified engine performance. The only thing I do have is an intake on it. But besides that, this car drives so good. And if you guys are hearing rattling in the background, it's because it's from AC. The AC line broke, so the little round disc thing. Oh, GTR. GTR with a big ass wing just passed me. Hope you guys got that on camera. But anyways, like I was saying, if you guys hear the rattling in the back, it's one of the parts that hold one of the little wheel things that controls the AC belt. It's broke off, so now it's rattling like fuck because I had to take out the broken belt because I'm gonna end up replacing my AC. So that's why you're hearing that rattle right now. Very irritating. But anyways, like I said though in this video, man, it's a night and day difference driving this car, suspension lowered. Actually one of the best 10 coilovers you can get for your car. The coilovers that I got for this car is strictly for race track performance. You know what I'm saying? So it's not street one, it's for the track. But with the track one, you kind of like, I mean, literally feel every single thing. But yeah, let me get out the car before I start talking. This damn rattle in the background is going to irritate me. And I know it's going to irritate y'all. So. Today, we are just chilling. I want to make a quick video to let you guys know how I feel about the car being lowered. The car looks amazing. Like I said, we still got to take care of some of the clear coat issues with the paint. And we're going to make it look so much more nicer. There's so much things that I do want to do to this car. Now, I know I said that before, but this car is looking amazing, man. Check out my baby, man. Woo. Something about this car is just amazing. But anyways, I do want to tell you guys, driving with this car lowered has made a night and day difference. I've been driving this car one full day with it lowered compared to how it was at stock level. And when I mean stock level, it was a little bit above stock level. The back rear was a little bit higher than normal. But all I can say is driving this car lowered is so much fun. Turning in this car by far is destroying the 350Z. Now, trust me, the 350Z is fucking amazing driving. But this Integra with these suspensions, this suspension is not street. It's more for the track performance. And then at the same time, we do have some nice aero kit that does everything. Now, all this aero kit on my car makes a complete fucking difference. So it's not all about looks, it's actually functional. So the car drives amazing, it drives so good. The car looks amazing. Been breaking necks since I changed the wheel color and everything, and it just looks so much more nicer. This is how you want your, you know what I'm saying, tuner car to look. So anyways, with that being said, this car is driving so good. Turning the corners is actually better than ever. So when I drive in and turn in and everything, I don't have to slow down. The aero kit is just so amazing. Top One did a hell of a great job. Shout out to my sponsors, Top One. And I'm definitely about to be getting the aero kit, and I got to get another order of one of the side skirts because my other one broke off. I still have one of them, but I need another one. It broke off on the road somewhere. And yeah, so we're gonna still get that done. And also, you know, like I said, eventually we're still gonna be getting the rear diffuser from Top One. With that being said, this car just drives good, it drives amazing, it's a fun car. I'm loving the aero kit. I'm loving everything on this car. And like I said, we still got so much more to go. We are getting ready to go to the first ever track experience with this car. I don't have no track wheels. All I gotta do is drive my street tires, and we're just gonna have fun. We're gonna see how it goes. I know it's next month, at the end of the next month, and I'm gonna try my best to try to find a GoPro or borrow somebody's GoPro, and at the same time see if my brother gonna roll me and he can record me driving from a distance, so I have the inside view and outside view. So with that being said, there's a few things I do want to do for this car, and they are very, 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 very cheap. Hopefully I can get it done. But I want to actually add some things to the car. I want to add some test pipes. I want to get some headers. And at the same time, I got to get some track bars for the front and the rear for the turning. So that's a must. So I'm going to try to find some as soon as possible. Yeah, so there's a few things we got to do. I'm trying to keep it OEM, like I told you guys before, with the wheels. I don't want to go no bigger, no smaller. Keeping these size 16-inch wheels. I'm not going bigger. I want it to be OEM for a reason. There's a reason why they make the car the way they do, OEM style. So with that being said, is that I want this car to really be OEM. I don't want to go no bigger wheels. I don't want to do nothing like that. I want to make sure the car is very functional and it does its thing. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, it's just all about keeping it OEM because they made it like that for a reason. Of course, I can tweak it and make it better or whatever, but sometimes people make some little changes and it just fucks the whole car up from how it's supposed to perform or what you need to do. But anyways, this car drives good. I'm excited. I'm ready for what I need to do. But I've been driving around with the suspension lowered, way better, way funner, much better. And yeah, man, I'm just having fun with this car. It's just a great time, man. I hope you guys are enjoying this content, man. Man, this is crazy. I want to tell everybody, whether you're a first-time driver or whether you're a person that have multiple cars, whether you're broke or whether you're rich, I'm gonna tell you this right now. Make sure you guys try to go out there and find you a Acura. The Acura's are very hard to find because 90% of these cars that are for sale are totaled out. Like seriously, they're totaled out. #1 junkyard cars. And I'm telling you, if you can get your hands on one, I'm telling you, it's not the fastest stock, but I'm telling you, these cars are one hell of a fucking car if you can fix it up with the aero and actually have a functional aero kit. This car is so fun, man. It's so fun. I'm just blessed and happy that I do have this car. I always wanted this car, man. But let me talk to you guys inside. But yeah, with all that being said, this car is just fun to drive, and I just appreciate it so much. Yeah, let's go to the house. All right, now I finally made it to the crib. Eventually I have to go inside and take out that rattling. It's very annoying. But yeah, this car is actually, look how low it is. Like, you could barely put your finger in the back there, and you got to actually put your finger up there. Super tucked. Drives amazing. Actually looks good. They got the Z right there. Haven't drove this one in like 2 or 3 days. It's collecting dust. I just cleaned this car, and we got bird shit on the car. So I'm gonna have to wash this car tomorrow. Not doing that shit today. Damn, it's crazy. It's funny because this car used to be way taller than this car. Now it's like this one's shorter than this one. Let's come over here. Man, what a blessing. Got 2 of my dream cars and more to come. Man, such a blessing, man. Let me flip the camera around. Man, sometimes I have to stop what I'm doing and just really just thank the Lord for all these blessings that he's given me. I'm nowhere near where I want to be in life. I'm nowhere near rich or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Your boy's struggling, your boy broke. But anyways, the whole thing is, man, it's just, I never gave up on myself. Like, I never did. People that's been around since my beginning time of this YouTube channel, I didn't even have a car before. You know what I'm saying? Like, 2015, 16. They have none of my own shit, you know what I'm saying? So, to where I'm at, I'm hella happy, man. I'm super grateful. So much more I'm about to do with these cars. So much more I'm gonna do with some new cars coming to the channel. So much more I got to come in life. And sometimes I just sit outside like this and actually just like look at life and just thank the Lord, man, for all the opportunities and blessings that I do have. And sometimes I just be like, just in a stun. It's like sometimes I look outside my window and just look at my cars and just like, damn, like hard work. Because none of these cars look like how they looked. You know what I'm saying? It's such a blessing to just have just this fuel in me to just keep going and keep going and keep going. And it's even doper to have real supporters like you guys that shows me love, whether you guys are my friends or family members or just, you know, people that never met me and that's supporting me through this whole journey, man. I thank all 4,000 of y'all. I appreciate that, man. It means a lot. When I meet you guys in person, it's actually dope. Like, it's a doper connection to meet some of you guys that I never met before in my life. And when you guys meet me in person, it's such a great feeling because it just shows that everything I'm doing right now is paying off. You know, sometimes where I'm making these videos, I don't, you know, I really just be like, you know, just in my own little world, worrying about certain things, wishing I can be bigger than I am and stuff. But, you know, at the end of the day, man, I'm doing something I love and I'm passionate about. It's not so many people can actually tell you and say the same thing. And for me, it's just a blessing. And I'm thanking God every day because it just gets better every day. You know what I'm saying? It's not an easy job. This YouTube shit is not easy, man. If it was easy, everybody in the world would be doing it. It's not easy like people think. So for me to just be going hard, man. We almost at 1 million total views. We almost there. I think within another month or two, we'll be reaching over 1 million views with this channel. I do appreciate every one of you guys that have something to do with it. It's amazing, man. We knocking out 2 milestones very soon. 1 million views total and 5,000 subscribers. Fucking insane. If you would have asked me this 3 to 4 years ago, I wouldn't even expect it to be at this level. It's crazy. What, 3 years ago, nowhere near 1,000. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much for just rocking with me, for having patience with me. You know, I'm a work in progress. You know what I'm saying? I'm learning as I go. But one thing I always will remain, no matter how big I get, I'm going to remain humble and grateful. And that will never change about me. But I'm happy, man. I'm happy to see where I'm at. Right now we got a lot of fire going on. This fire is just getting more out of hand out here in California. I want to give prayers out to everybody that's been affected with these wildfires in the West Coast region. You know, life. At the end of the day, we got all this shit going on. You guys can't see it in the air, but it's really smoky, cloudy. The sun has been pure orange for the last 2 days, or more than that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for just rocking with me, man. I really appreciate it. And if you guys ever meet me in person, don't be afraid, don't hesitate. Let me know, you know, you're a supporter, and for sure, man, I'm so grateful for y'all, man. It's really a good feeling, man. But yeah, just want to talk to you guys, let you guys know how I feel about the car so far, 1 day of having it. And I think I might be doing this soon. I might be doing it probably tomorrow. I'm gonna see how the day goes, but I think I want to do a rev battle between my 2 cars right now before they both get new exhaust systems and stuff. That might be work. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to hear a rev contest between these 2 cars. And they both loud as fuck. And they both have their own distinct sound. I think that might be the best video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe and continue to stay positive and speak things and manifest things into existence. We out.